So what we have here is GBPJPY. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's see what this GBPJPY is actually playing out. Starting with the daily time frame, we can see that this price, the food trend at first it was actually dropping, no doubt. One of the reasons why we were having this movement downward is JPY was actually going bullish. So this is why GBP is actually dropping. So maybe in the long run, right? Maybe in 2 weeks, but let's say by the time the month of February end, at least we should have closed bullish. Let's see if we will be trading at the level of 166 or at the level of 167. That will be a long-term movement. But right now, we can see that this GBP is actually giving us a bullish move. And we are expecting interest rates hike this week, right? So, I mean, there's going to be a massive movement, right? So, we need to watch out for that. Now, to be able to predict this price for the next day, which is on Monday, right? I think we would have to go to the forward time frame and see exactly what price is currently playing out right now. So now let's see. Let's transport out some levels that price is hitting and rejecting. So you can see that price is actually rejected this level twice. Then the next level we would want this GBP JPY move to is this drop. So at least a level of 159. If GBP JPY can drop to a level of 159, then I believe this movement will be made upward to this resistance and break above it. So this week, right, GBP JPY will actually break above this level of 161. By the way, there will be a breakout of a level of 161. So by the way, and if any of you that are interested in my service, my Patreon service, actually check the comment section below. I'm going to posting my Patreon link, so actually check it out. And if you're interested, subscribe so you'll be able to get an exclusive content from me.